YouTube is still deleting my subscribers, about 10 a week.
Because they throttle the accounts they don't like. And they take subscribers off, and they prevent the accounts that tell the truth from getting views.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, to the person that asked me on another video in the for the person that asked me in the other comments of the other video what this was, I'm going to get to that. I'm going to do a whole video on it. I do need to dig some props out. I have some other ones. I used to sell these, and I still have some left. And I'm going to dig them out. I'm going to do it in a different video, not this one, because we got a little care package from OLight today. And I'm not sponsored, but they did send me these lights to play with. And I'll tell you, whew. You know, let me set you up on the tripod and give you a little once over on this. They asked me what I wanted to try out, and I said I work on cars, and they sent me this work light, handheld work light, lithium ion battery. Okay, so it's got a twisty thing on it. It's got it looks like a camera mount to me. This part swings out so you can hook it on things. And then these are the 3 magnets. Now check this out. Let's do it on the front of the toolbox here. It is on there. Anyway, so this thing I haven't had a chance to use it yet. I have turned it on, of course. You got to do that. So it is very bright. We're going to use this. In fact, let's use it right now. Go back to here. Is that a little better? Big difference. Okay, so we're going to use this to the next project on this car is going to be finding out what happened, because it is a little bit squirrely on the road. I don't like it. It's all over the place. It's not a joy to drive anymore, and I don't know what changed. So we're going to go through the car and find out. Probably in the next video, maybe the one after that. I'll probably do this video first, and then do a video on the chassis of this. There's got to be something's loose somewhere. Got to be. But they sent me this, and I wanted to share it with you. It has a bunch of different. It goes brighter. It goes. I don't want to shine it directly into the camera and into my eyes again, because I had a line across my eyes for hours afterwards. It was right up there with welding. Oh, and it's got a spotlight in it too. So whatever setting you put it on, I guess it goes back to it. So that's as bright as it goes, and it's pretty bright. They also sent me this other one here. Whoops, wrong button. One button wrong. Good grief. Okay. No. Okay. No. Alright, now it's off. Good grief. Okay, so we're going to hang this up. And I'm not going to get into this one yet, but ooh, boy. My only issue with the work light is it's got this cord to charge it. It didn't come with a brick, which is alright, I guess, because everybody's got bricks now, but it came with the same little itty bitty thing on the end. It doesn't have a regular USB that you can plug into a brick or a power strip. It's got this little one on it, so I had to charge it on my laptop. So that's you might want to include maybe just a little adapter if it's not too much expensive. Yeah, I mean, you speak good English. Yeah. It's late. I'm tired. But anyway, that was the only only room for improvement that I found with this thing so far. It's a really cool light. Now this one, I'll give you a sneak peek. Oh, look at the box it comes in. Thank you for being a part of OLight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy, OLight team. Not going to get into it. This is going to be a separate one because this was for the camper. And I'll go into that story in a future video. There was a reason that I asked for that, and this little disc thing here is a key part of that. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the whatever this thing is video, and stay tuned for a complete jack it up, shake the wheels, check the kingpins, check the alignment, all of that on this car, because I am not happy with the way it goes down the road. So if you like the videos that we do, hit the buttons, subscribe. YouTube is still deleting my subscribers, about 10 a week.
Considering the fact that you don't get to become the largest YouTube channel in the world without permission from the Matrix, because they throttle the accounts they don't like, and they take subscribers off, and they prevent the accounts that tell the truth from getting views.
I don't know why they're doing it. It's not cool. Because you guys click on the subscribe button because you want to see more content. You know, things like this car or other cars that come through. And then they just go, nah, you can't have that. And they take it away from you. And they take it away from you and they take it away from me. And I'm getting sick of it, to tell you the truth. So stay tuned. Make sure you're still subscribed. If you're not, do it again. Unbelievable. Little YouTube channels they're trying to keep down, they're suppressing views, and it just makes my blood boil. So stay tuned. We'll be back, and thank you for watching.